The FDA advisory panel voted to recommend a second Johnson & Johnson shot for emergency use authorization. The decision now heads to the FDA, who's expected to make a final ruling in the coming days. But what does this mean for the 15 million people who got J&J shots? News 4's Marissa Sulik explains.
If it's what the CDC is recommending, I would follow their advice.
Alex Ralph says he got the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine. That's a one-shot dose that may soon have an approved second dose booster.
J&J was one and done, and now they have presented some data regarding a second dose 2 months later.
Dr. William Schaffner, infectious disease doctor at Vanderbilt, says right now Pfizer's approved booster is given 6 months after the first dose. Moderna's booster will also have a 6-month time period once it's approved, which doctors say could be next week. So with 3 boosters that could be available soon, can people mix and match?
They're doing something quite similar to that in Europe. Only limited data have been presented in the United States.
But Dr. Schaffner says Europe has a widely used AstraZeneca vaccine that's not licensed in the U.S.
And they have often given 1 dose of the AZ vaccine, followed then by either Pfizer or Moderna.
He says the AstraZeneca vaccine is similar to the J&J vaccine mixed with the other approved vaccines. But for J&J recipients like Ralph, he says he will wait for guidance by the CDC.
Yeah, if that's safe, I wouldn't have a problem with it.
Marissa Sulik, News 4 National.